Hi Rossi babes, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will be showing you an alternative method to remove Rossi glam powder. As all dip nail lovers certainly know, one of the biggest advantages to having dip nails is their durability, but this also results in them taking some time to remove them. We found the perfect solution for you, the baggy method with rice. It may seem a bit odd, but it works the quickest of any method and you should definitely give it a try. Glam powder here is Color Splash, and as you can see, there is some noticeable nail growth. Begin the removal process by using a coarse 150 grit hand file. The goal is to remove the entire top layer of your dip. This will allow the acetone to penetrate the product much faster. Next, add a cup of dry, uncooked rice in a small bowl and microwave it for up to 30 to 60 seconds. Heat time may vary depending on the wattage of your microwave. Please monitor your rice while it is being heated up to avoid any hazard. As a precaution, you can heat the rice in increments of 30 seconds at a time. Rice should be very warm, but not hot. Place a paper towel, cotton pad, or dryer sheet in the ziplock bag and add just enough acetone to soak it up. Use 100% acetone for best results, and optionally add a few drops of Rossi Nourish cuticle oil. Coat your fingers with cuticle oil or Vaseline to prevent residue from sticking to your skin and keep cuticles from drying out. Put your hand inside the bowl and rub your fingernails against the soaked paper towel from time to time. The heat of the rice will react with the acetone and speed up the removal process. Check on the nails from time to time to see if the product has dissolved. Thanks to the cuticle oil, the nails and skin won't be too dried out from the acetone. If your rice cools too much, just reheat it and continue. After 5 to 10 minutes, the entire dip should be removed. Lightly buff the nails to smooth them out. Go over with 1000 grit side and follow up with a 4000 grit side to achieve beautiful shine. Finish by washing your hands and apply Nourish cuticle oil. We recommend you to use it 3 to 4 times a week to keep your cuticles and nails hydrated. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this material helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more weekly tutorials. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. Stay home, stay safe.